In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy prompts from others in Midjourney. We'll walk through how to find an image or video you love on Midjourney, open it and copy the exact prompt the creator used. This is great for learning different styles, understanding parameters, and building your own prompt writing skills faster. First, head over to the Midjourney website and log in. You'll land on the Explore page, which showcases what the community is creating. If you don't see Explore right away, look for it in the navigation. Being signed in ensures you can view full details and access the copy option when it's available. Next, browse until you find an image or a video that inspires you. You can scroll through the popular or trending sections or use the search bar to narrow down a theme or style. Spend a moment looking at the thumbnails and previews. This helps you identify results that match the mood, composition, or motion you're after, which will make the prompt more relevant to your goals. If you're specifically interested in motion content, switch to the Videos tab. That view filters the Explore gallery to show video results only, which makes it much easier to study prompts tailored to animation or motion styling. It's a quick way to focus on pacing, transitions, or cinematic looks that wouldn't appear in still images. When you see a video you like, click it to open its details page. Here you can watch the full clip and in many cases view the prompt and settings the creator used. This page is worth a close look. You'll often find not just the descriptive text, but also parameters like aspect ratio, style strength, version, and sometimes motion-related settings. Reading these before you copy can teach you why the output looks the way it does. Finally, use the Copy Prompt button. This copies the prompt text to your clipboard exactly as it appears, including any parameters that control framing, detail, or stylization. If the prompt is hidden or restricted, you might not see the copy option. That simply means the creator chose not to share it. Otherwise, you'll have the full text ready to paste into your own workflow for learning and iteration. A few quick tips as you use shared prompts. Treat them as a starting point, not a destination. Tweak the subject, camera language, and parameters to match your intent. Keep an eye on aspect ratio and style values because those often drive the biggest visual changes, and always respect the platform's guidelines and the creator's preferences. That's it. Simple, clear, and super useful for leveling up your results in Midjourney.